Going on YouTube? This is Chris over at Venum Wheel. For today's episode, I'm going to be showing you guys a new set of center caps. This is going to be a hub-centric spacer integrated with a center cap. I'm going to be doing it for my Toyota Tacoma, as you can see right behind me. And the wheels that I have for today are Volk Racing. They do come, or they do sell center caps, but I'm not going to be using their center cap. I'm going to go with something different just to give it the different aesthetic, and hopefully I can match my Billet emblem. So check that out. So stay tuned, hang out with me as I show you how I get down. All right, we're gonna be opening up the Tacoma spacer. I designed this a couple days ago. This does come with a center cap integrated, so it looks something like this. Check it out. Chris Customs. All this is a solid billet piece. 1060-61. We're gonna do some tool paths. I actually already started on it. This is a 3/8 end mill, and we'll speed it up just so you can see what it's gonna do. There you go. This is a shadow. Let me speed it up more. So this is the top half. The second half I use a different program. Yeah, so let's go to the machines and get started on it. So we got the program loaded onto the Haas machine. We are running a BF2 for today. 7x2 raw stock. Just finished probing it. We're gonna clean it up. So let's do OT clean. This is just a cleanup pass. Make sure our wear is minimal. I think that's fine. Again, we're just gonna clean up the OD diameter, and we'll do a baseball pass to make it a true 7x2. Down. Stop right there. Just make sure the tool just drops. Okay. Alright, so we'll let that finish and we'll go on to the next step. So contour press is just right about done. They'll take off 2,000. Scorch marks, we could probably just do another one down maybe. Base mill pass has been completed. Now we're gonna check how much we have remaining raw stock. So we're at about 2 inches, 2.0195. So that means on the opposite side we have to take off 0.195. Alright, so let's flip it over. We are face milling the part now. We're running at feed rate 40, spindle speed 6,000, step over 3/4 of an inch. So I want to show you guys the wheel that I use as maca. So I want to give a special shout out to Manny over at Matkin Industries. He was courteous enough to let me borrow one of his raised wheels. Sorry, let me grab it. One of his raised wheels from his truck. So I will be making a custom adapter for him. It's gonna be a conversion 6-on-120 for a Chevy Colorado. To convert to 6-on-5.5 or 6-on-139. But check this baby out. Man, this color is sick.
Snug fit, just like we want it. Sorry, it's hard to record. There you go. Zoom out. So there you have it. Full CNC custom integrated center cap on an 1.25" adapter for a Toyota Tacoma.
Alright, so let me open this up. Show you guys an unboxing. Look at these babies. There we go. Beautiful. Got my tool bag from Ray's. Got some power tools, torque wrench, all the necessities needed. This is my to-go bag whenever I need to do tire changes on my truck. So we'll get this set up and get started. So this is the old one. I did have a hub ring on it just to make the wheel hub centric because it does come with 112mm and Tacoma comes with a 106mm. So let me show you the new piece. Okay. Okay. So I don't know if you can see the difference between the both, but the stud from the Toyota Tacoma is a 12.15, and the new one that I put was a 14.15 thread pitch. So old, new. Good. So we got the adapter on. Check it out. One of the things that I did notice was that when I went into the bore, I only went in about 1.10 inches, and it was hitting on the cap. But since this is a sealed piece, there's no dust is gonna get on it. So maybe the next one I'm gonna do, I'll probably just go def 120 and then leave this at 175 just for future reference. But since it was the first piece, all I did was took it off, and it looks like it's still gonna work. All right. Dad helping me out, doing the passenger side, and we'll do the rear. Call it a day. Check out the driver's side. Ready.